How to post Amazon affiliate links on Instagram story. Let's get started. First, make sure you have already signed up for Amazon Associates. If not, you can head over to the Spoon website, click on sign up, use your Amazon account's credentials and sign up or sign in. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Now I can launch your Amazon app and head towards any of the product whose Amazon affiliate link you wanna share to the Instagram story. Just select the product, open it. Once you have selected the product, now scrolling down you're gonna find the share icon. You have to click on it. With that you're gonna get the pop-up. You'll find the option of copy affiliate link. You have to click on that. Once you have copied the link, launch your Instagram app. Now click on the option of your story given at the top left. Now select the background picture, adjust it, then click on the sticker icon given at the top. Now here you're gonna find different option. Click on the option link. Now paste the link over here, click on done and then adjust it anywhere. Once you are done, you can click on your story. This is how you can post Amazon affiliate links on Instagram story. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.